In this Python tutorial, we will analyze a text using the Scapy library. By the end of the video, we will be able to extract verbs, nouns, and named entities from the input text. We will recreate this project together. I have published many Python playlists on my Turtle Code YouTube channel. You can follow them to learn how to use modules like Django, Tkinter, and Streamlit. First, I will import the Scapy library into the project. Next, I will load the English language model. Let's start coding. Import the Scapy module. Load the English language model. Then create a function. Send the input text to the natural language processing function. You can print out the entities found in the input text using a for loop. Let's test it right away. I will ask the user to input some text. Then I will call the function using this text. I will use this text for testing. I printed out the named entities found in the text. You can print out nouns found in the input text using a for loop. Let's test it again. I printed out the nouns found in the input text. Finally, you can print out verbs found in the input text using a for loop. Let's test it right away. I printed out verbs found in the input text. I recommend you check out other Python tutorials in the pinned comment of the video.